Hey there, this is lifestyle expert Chassie Post, and who doesn't love the spring season? But spring cleaning? Well, don't let that get you down, because I partnered with a couple of brands that will make life easier for you this year. So let's up your game for cleaning your bathroom. These two products from the Zepp Home Pro line will put a spring in your step. Their foaming Miracle Grout Cleaner and Protectant not only cleans your floor, shower tile, and grout, it also deposits an invisible barrier that helps prevent future stains, keeping grout cleaner for longer. Genius, right? And for those icky bathroom surfaces, their multi-purpose foaming bathroom cleaner cuts through soap scum and hard water. No scrubbing necessary. Both of these products are professional strength, but with spa-like scents, making cleaning your home feel less like a chore. You can find Zepp Home Pro at Walmart.com, Target.com, and select Kroger stores. Now here's a pro tip. I always keep my eye on the latest innovative technologies because having the right tools will be a game changer if you want a fresh and spotless home. So dragging around a clunky old vacuum? No thanks. I'm loving the Dreame R10 Pure Cordless Stick Vacuum. It's sleek, powerful, and under $200. It's got insane suction power, a battery that runs up to an hour, and a multi-surface brush with LED lights to catch every last dust bunny. Plus, versatile attachments like a wide combo tool and crevice tool so you can tackle floors, furniture, and those tricky corners with ease. If you want a deep clean with zero hassle this season, the Dreame R10 Pure is on sale right now at Amazon. For details and links to everything I covered and more, just visit inthenews.tv or follow us on Instagram at inthenewstv. Happy spring!